Hello, welcome everyone. Today we're going to make an all-natural candle to keep the bugs away. So it's citronella, and I have my little helper here with me.
Charlotte.
Hi Charlotte. So first we're going to start with adding 10 drops of each of these beautiful oils. So Charlotte's going to do that, and as she's filling that up with the oils, I was just going to tell you that I'm also going to be hosting a workshop on Wednesday, June 26th at 10 a.m. in Bellefontaine, and I have to go through all of my first aid kits and fill up my bug sprays, my bug bites, and order some more Terra Shield because we're going camping the end of the month, so I need to get prepared for that. My first aid kit hasn't really been opened this summer, so we're going to have to go through that. So anybody who comes to these workshops on these days will be able to either make a bug spray, bug after bite, or they can update their first aid kits, and I can have all these different products that we can make and make sure that you have everything that you need for your first aid for the summer. Are you done, hon?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So after you put all the oils in, now you can put a slice of lime and lemon. So you can make this fancy. You can do 1 lemon, 1 lime. You can do 2 lemons, 2 limes. You can go lemon, lime, whatever you would like to do. And then we need to add this rosemary as well. So if you want to fool around with that, Charlotte, and be creative, go ahead. Doesn't matter as long as it's all in there.
Yeah.
We did slices. You can put them in cubes. I've seen people do like all kinds of creative things. So not only is it good for keeping the bugs away, but it's actually really pretty. People actually do them for their outdoor parties and centerpieces. So that's great. You're going to put the rosemary in, my love? Yeah. So we got our oils in. We have our lemon, our lime. Yep, you can put them in the bottom, you can put them in the top, mix them up. We could have chopped them up if we wanted. Perfect. And then you can add the water. Now today I'm using my jam jar, but you can use any jar you want. And you're going to fill it.
Like up to here?
Yeah, that's perfect. Not to the top, because we want the candle to float. I hope I gave you enough water.
Yeah.
Perfect. Nice. As you can see, it's really pretty.
Put this in.
It's like all natural. So yep, then you can put the floaty candle on the top and it floats, and then to activate it, to keep the bugs away, we just light it up, which I'll do later because it's during the day and I don't need it at this moment. But so then you can put the lid on to seal all those oils in there, and then we're ready to go. So that's perfect. Thank you so much, Charlotte. You're an amazing helper. And if anyone has any questions, or you want me to come to your house and do a workshop with you, let me know. Enjoy your summer, guys. Keep the bugs away. See you later.